Yummy.
How to make Malai Soya Biryani. Vago, I'll show you.
First step, add soya nuggets to a bowl, add hot water, cover and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's grind the masala. All details are given in the pinned comment. Wash the nuggets with cool water, squeeze out the extra water, and to that add the ground masala, curd, cream, salt, more herbs if you like. Mix it well and cover and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's cook the rice. I'm adding all the whole spices, some herbs, ghee, and add the rice. And while the rice is cooking, place a biryani pot or a heavy bottom kadai on low flame, add ghee and fry ginger, garlic and onion. Instead of the open pot, you can also cook the rice in a rice cooker or pressure cooker. And now I'm adding the marinated soya. Cook over low flame. I'm adding some garam masala and pepper powder. Cover and let it cook. The rice needs to cook well but not mushy. So once the rice is done, we can switch off. I'm also checking the soya. I'm adding some extra cream. Mix it well. Strain the excess water and add the rice. Add more herbs and layer it well. And once you finish layering, switch off the gas and close it tightly using a lid for 15 minutes, and our delicious Malai Soya Biryani is now ready.